places and nature. Where do you go on the weekend? I go to the park. What can you see at the zoo? I can see monkeys and elephants. Do you live near a mountain? No, I live in the city. What do you see at the beach? I see the sea and boats. What do you do in the forest? I walk and look at trees and animals. Have you been to the jungle? No, but I want to. What can you see in the sky? I can see clouds, the sun, and birds. What's the weather like today? It's sunny. Do you like the rain? Yes, I like jumping in puddles. What season do you like the best? I like summer.